So how did I grow my business from $0 in monthly revenue to $300 in monthly revenue in one simple month? The answer is actually incredibly simple, and it happens in 3 simple steps. Hey, if we've not met before, my name is Craft. I run a video editing side hustle business, and I create on a plethora of platforms, including right here on YouTube. And one of the best ways I've been able to grow and generate extra income is through side hustles. And I'm super pumped about my newest side hustle. My newest side hustle is actually a video editing business that I've started up, and I've been securing clients pretty regularly. It feels like I'm adding a new client to the business almost every week, and I've actually hit a $300 a month revenue mark, which is pretty exciting. I'm pumped because this Friday I actually have 2 meetings with clients to maybe potentially secure a sale, and so I'm super pumped for that. How am I finding these clients? Because I'm not using websites like Fiverr. I'm not using websites like LinkedIn. I'm using actually one app you may not think about, and that's Twitter. You see, a lot of content creators find themselves on Twitter as a networking opportunity, especially for their specific niches. And so what I'll do is I'll be in commentator threads. I'll be in community threads. I'll be underneath threads of different people who do YouTube education and advice on Twitter. And I will start networking and bringing value to different people. And then I'll lean in and I'll go into the DMs and I will make a sale. Now, I don't always start off with a sale. I never lead in with an immediate sale. Instead, I master the cold DM by bringing value, building a rapport with somebody, and then offering service, right? No one wants a sleazy car salesman. No one wants somebody trying to give them something they don't want. And they definitely don't want to buy from somebody who doesn't seem reputable. That's why you have to bring value first. Gary Vee would say jab, 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 right hook, right? You're going to bring value, and then you're going to go in for the sale, right? That is what it means to master the cold DM. And that's how I've been able to continually add clients into this video editing business. Another way I've been able to continually add clients is I deliver excellent service each time. Let me repeat that. I deliver excellent service each time. I treat each and every edit like my job truly depends on it. Like this business that I'm trying to build truly depends on each and every edit. So I go in and I give it my best effort, and I try to maintain constant communication with the client. I make sure we're doing and delivering an excellent product for them and that they are satisfied each and every time. Why? Because delivering excellent service proves your integrity, right? No one wants to buy from somebody they don't like. No one wants to buy from somebody that seems sleazy and doubles back on what they said, right? Like you want somebody who is honorable in how they deliver their service. And so I am continually seeking ways to deliver excellent customer service and an excellent product. That also means I'm seeking how I can get better on a regular basis. I'm editing videos on a regular basis. I'm learning new skills, different tools on a regular basis so that I can deliver an excellent quality. Iron sharpens iron. Nobody can chop wood with a dull axe. That's why it is crucial for you and I to make sure we are growing as individuals. Develop your skills and deliver excellent service. It's one way you make sure you keep your clients. Now, last and most certainly not least, right? You want to make sure you're getting referrals and recommendations. Let me repeat that. You want to make sure you're getting referrals and recommendations. You want to get referrals from your clients because they're going to be your best advocates. Your best marketing strategy is your clients, people who you have worked with who say, hey, I want to work with you again, right? Like these are the people who you want to connect with and you want to build a rapport with, because these people will literally help you earn more money and they will help you find a newer audience. So seek out referrals from your clients and seek out recommendations from them, right? My clients recommend me just through simple things like a tweet that I can screenshot, keep, and then use on my Instagram or a couple other avenues to say, hey, like this is something I did for this person. They speak highly of me. If you're interested in using my service, this is what this person says about me, right? Like that's one other simple way. Now, if your client, if you find yourself, you have a client who's continually giving you awesome referrals, maybe think of a way to reward that referral for that client. Maybe it's, for me, it would maybe be editing a free video, or maybe it would be giving a discount on the next project I worked for him, right? If you're getting continual and repeat service from somebody, make sure you are using that in a way that benefits them and continues to bring them value while they bring your business value. Remember, it's not a one-way street. As they bring you value, you bring them value. It's back and forth. Now, recap real quick as we end today, right? You want to master the cold DM. You want to master that cold DM. You want to build your skills and deliver excellent service. And last but not least, lean in on referral and recommendations. Hey, if you like this video, like, subscribe. I'll see you next time.